how to delete all your history on REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete all your history on REDnote app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the REDnote app and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen and the pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on the option labeled History. And here, it will show you everything, your activity history, life history, post history, everything you have done on the REDnote. And if you want to delete everything, here is how. Simply tap on the Manage and after that, tap on Select All. And once everything is selected, simply tap on Delete and tap on Confirm again, and that's it. Your history is cleared. See how easy that was? Now you can clear all your REDnote history in just few taps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.